Mr. Malafite,
Yes,
have you had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Ruffin?
I have.
Okay, and we're looking at Duncan now, okay.
This Mr. Ruffin.
Yes, Mr. Ruffin, just hold on, please.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
If everybody has the ability to mute, I'd appreciate it if you could do that for us, please. So go ahead and
I
what
can
you'll
do
do
what
is
now?
touch your screen, Ms. Ross, and you will see a thing there in the bottom left-hand corner that has that looks like a microphone. You want you to touch that.
I don't see it.
Touch your screen. Do you see a little button in the left-hand corner that looks like a thing? It says mute usually.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. You did it, Ms. Ross. There you go. All set. Now just leave that because you know you can hear me, but we can't hear you, which is the way we want it. There you go.
Oh, I'll put it in the file. And Mr. Malafite,
Yes.
Duncan's currently suspended.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Duncan, did you hear that?
yeah.
Okay. So here's what you need to do, sir. You need to make a point. What we'll do is we'll continue that plea of not guilty. But what you want to do is you want to go and talk to the folks at the Secretary of State to figure out why it's suspended.
It was
They'll be able to-
suspended. I had did all that. It got
No,
suspended
what?
because of
Mr. Duncan, we talked about this. So they still think it is. So whatever the problem is, it's not been fixed yet. Okay? So if you know if there's like another problem that you haven't told me about, then you either
it's no other problem. The problem was that when I clear my name up in the Secretary of State,
Stop.
I only had
Mr. Duncan, you're not listening.
We're going around in circles. The point is, it's suspended currently. So I think you can call your case and just set this for trial. Are you ready? All right, this is the people versus Derek Duncan. Ticket number SP 1295080. Count 1, drive license suspended. Good afternoon, say your name for the record. Starting with
Good
the
afternoon.
attorney.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Tim Malafite, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Duncan. Mr. Duncan, now you can go ahead and state your name for the record, please.
Derek Duncan.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, at this time, we'll waive the formal reading, stay on mute, ask to continue a plea of not guilty.
Does he want to set this for trial or just set this for a pre-trial?
We just need a pretrial date, I think, for Mr. Duncan, Your Honor.
That's the earliest, yeah.
November 2nd at 8:35 pre-trial.
Thank you. Mr. Duncan, did you get that time?
Yeah.
November 2nd, 8:35.
All right.
You're all set, sir. You can go ahead and hang up. Thank you.
You can do Mr. Drain. This is the people versus LaShante Drain, ticket number SP 1354966, count 1, unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, driver's license never acquired. Good afternoon, say your names for the record.
Tim Malafite, on behalf of Mr. Drain. Mr. Drain, state your name for the record.
LaShante Drain.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, at this time, we would like to continue a plea of not guilty, and we would ask for a bench trial date on this one because there are some identification issues.
Right, raise your right hand, Mr. Drain. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
Court's going to continue. You're not guilty. Please set it for a bench trial date for November 2nd at 9.
November 2nd at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. You're all set.
Thank you, Mr. Drain. You're all set.
Sir, thank you.
This is the people versus Gwendolyn Ross. Ticket number SP 1301623, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plates. Good afternoon, say your name for the record.
Tim Malafite, on behalf of Ms. Ross. Ms. Ross, go ahead and unmute yourself, hit that button again, and state your name for the record.
My name is Gwendolyn Ross.
Thank you, Ms. Ross. Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to continue a plea of not guilty and ask for a pretrial date.
Your pretrial date is also on November 2nd at 8:35. You're all set, Ms. Ross. Just zoom back in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Gerard Rutledge, ticket number SP 1301537, count 1, drove while license suspended, count 2, unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 3, improper plates, and then ticket number SP 1301542, count 1, no proof of insurance. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney
Tim
Allen.
Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Rutledge. Mr. Rutledge, please state your name for the record.
Gerard Rutledge.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, at this time, we continue a plea of not guilty and ask for a pretrial date.
November 2nd, 8:35.
November 2nd, 8:35. Okay, thank you.
Ross, you can hang up. Mr. Rutledge, you can hang up. Mr. Ruffin, turn your video on, unmute yourself, sir. This is the people versus D.I. Ruffin, ticket number SP 1296928, count 1, unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, improper license, count 3, no proof of insurance. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record, starting with hang up.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Ruffin. Mr. Ruffin, please state your name for the record while turning on your video, if you'd be so kind, sir.
Okay. D.I. Ruffin.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, at this time, we'll continue a plea of not guilty and ask for a pretrial date.
Your date is also November 2nd at 8:35.
Did you get that, Mr. Ruffin?
Yeah, November 2nd, 8:35.
That's correct, sir. Yes.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You can hang up. You're all set, Ms. Ross. I'm gonna remove you. And Mr. Ruffin, you are all set. Mr. Malafide, okay?
All set?
We're all set.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. All right, Michelle, thank you.
Okay, Judge, it wouldn't let me come back in.
Thank you.
All right, see you next time.